No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small, flat-bladed tool and a new battery, either a CR2032 or CR2450 3-volt. See your owner's information for the right battery for your key fob. For key fobs without a removable emergency key, with the button side facing down, insert a small, flat-bladed tool into the slot on the bottom of the key fob and carefully pry the cover slightly open. Continue this process around the perimeter of the fob until you can use your fingers to remove the cover. If your key fob has a removable emergency key, remove it first. Insert the tool into the gap on the left and right side of the emergency key slot and use it to carefully pry the cover open slightly and help separate the case. If your key fob has an inner battery cover, remove that next. Now you can use the tool to help pry out the old battery. Pay special attention if the old battery's positive pole is facing up or down. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up or down based on the old battery. Put the battery case back together and snap it shut. Now just reinsert the emergency key if necessary, and you should be all set. If your key fob has an LED indicator light, you can test the fob by pressing a button. If the light blinks, the battery was successfully installed. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.